Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'm going to share a couple of jobs with you that I wish you should know. Let's jump into the video, friends. So basically friends, as soon as you open your Google Chrome, search for my website, which is Booble360. I have shared more than 500 plus jobs in this website, so you can take a look. All of the jobs are verified by me. And however, keeping that aside, we are going to discuss about the jobs from HARMAN to CBR in this video. And in my previous video, we have discussed about the jobs from Emerson to GMR, and before that IBM to Sprinklr. So we have discussed about lots of jobs, so I recommend you to take a look at this website and apply for the verified jobs. That would be helpful for you to avoid any trap. However, keeping that aside, let's open all these jobs and we will be discussing one-on-one, and we will be discussing more about this job later. So the first job is HARMAN is hiring for software engineer 1. So basically HARMAN is a product based company and it's a Samsung company, and this job is based out of Bangalore. So basically they are looking for the person who have good understanding and embedded C, RTOS, AutoSAR, software development lifecycle, unit testing, and very good programming and analytical skills, or something this company is expecting. So probably since you are a graduate, if you have some knowledge on C or C++ would be more than enough, and having some knowledge on data structures and algorithms will definitely help you. So if you want to apply, just click on apply for job like this and just click on this link. It will land you in the job page. And next, Color Tokens is hiring for engineering graduates. So we have discussed about Color Tokens company in our previous video. We have reviewed this company. So these people are looking for freshers. The salary is 7 LPA. And they are looking for someone who have completed the engineering for BE, BTech, MS, MTech in computer science, and good programming skill in any language. Golang is preferred, but C++ and Java are also fine. So C++ and Java are something you would be studying in your academics, so I recommend you learn this C++ or Java, then it would be great. And what I recommend is, even though if you are a BSc graduate, if you have some sounding knowledge on C++ or Java, you can still give a try. It will definitely help you. And yeah, click on apply for job if you want to apply. And also keeping that aside, EEE EC folks also can give a try. It will definitely help you. And even Mech and Civil can give a try if you have knowledge on any programming language. If you want to apply, just click on apply for job and just click on this link. It will land you in the jobs page. And the next job is HPE is hiring for R&D graduate. So these people are also hiring for freshers. So they are looking for someone with 0 to 2 years of experience who have completed bachelor's or master's degree in CS, IT or equivalent. Equivalent in the sense EC, EEE. And if you have programming skills, civil and other folks also fine. And BSc computer folks also can give a try if you have sounding knowledge in programming. And you would be requiring experience or understanding of software system designs and languages. So experience is something for experienced folks. As a fresher, you need to have some understanding of software systems, good analytical and problem solving skills, understanding of design for software systems running on multiple platform types, understanding of basic testing, coding and debugging procedures. If you see this, for freshers, everyone will ask basics only, not that expertise level. So it's a great opportunity for freshers, I would say. And the salary would be around 10 LPA if I'm not wrong. If any HPE employees watching this video, do let us know what would be the fresher salary. And this job is based out of Bangalore. And to apply for the job, just click on this link. So this is the careers page. Once you click on this, it will land you in the appropriate job page. So that will help you, friends. And next, Citel company is hiring in Mumbai for customer support representative. So this job is for high school diploma or equivalent folks. Even the people who are financially not good and discontinued their education can give a try. They will hire both freshers and experienced folks, and the salary is around 2.5 to 4.5 LPA. And if you have some call center experience, it is a plus. If not, it's still okay, you can give a try. So to apply for the job, you can click on apply for job, and once you click on here, it will show you this link, and just click on this link, so it will push you to the job related page. And next, keeping that aside, CADENCE is hiring for software engineering internship folks. The salary would be around 4.5 LPA if I'm not wrong. And this job is full-time remote, permanent work from home for now. And they are looking for someone with 0 to 1 years of experience, and educational qualifications would be BTech or BE, and required people are like software engineers. So basically you need to have some knowledge on one programming language, one SQL, and one Linux, more than enough for this job. So these three are the essentials for every fresher to get a good engineering job or good technical job. These are some some things, or else you would assume these are the prerequisites. And to apply for the job, just click on apply for job here, and just click on apply. You will be seeing a clickable link. Just click on this link, so it will show you it will land you in the company's job related page. And next, a company CBR is hiring for front office executives in Chennai location. So basically this is a non-tech job, no coding required or nothing. Just this job is for all the graduates from degree to MBA and BTech folks. If you do not have any skills in the technical, I think it would be a great opportunity for you to start your career. So to apply for the job, just click on apply for job, and it will show you the further steps. It will show you the clickable link. Just click on this link, it will push you to the job page. And finally, we are going to discuss more about this job. So Mr. Cooper company in Chennai is hiring for graduate interns. So these people are looking for the graduates, no matter if they are CS, IT, EC or EEE in engineering, or else BSc folks like computers, mathematics, physics, whatever the role, and MTech folks also. So irrespective of their education, they need a graduate who is having understanding in algorithms, data structures, and capable of coding. These are the key things that the company is looking at. Just click on apply for job, and to apply for this job, please visit. This is a clickable link, friends. Just open this clickable link. So once you have opened it, it will push you to the company's page. So they are targeting students and graduates for this role, and this is what they are looking for. And basically this company is a financial company, if I'm not wrong. So if you want to apply, just click on apply now. So it will push us to the company's workday page. So as we are the first time, we need to create an account to apply for the job. If you are applied earlier in the past, you need to enter your email address and password, which you have received by the time you have created an account. And make sure you keep your resume in handy, friends. And then the process will show you the further steps. And keeping that aside, let us talk about the salary part in this company. Mr. Cooper Glassdoor. The Glassdoor rating is 3.5, which is, you can assume this company is okay. Let me search for intern. So for intern, the salary would be around 3 lakh to 4 lakh. I think it's a great start for freshers to start. It is a great start for interns to start your career with 3 lakh to 4 lakh. So this is it, friends. So these are the jobs that I wanted to share with you. And I hope you like this video, friends. Please do share this video with the genuine job seekers who are looking for the job outside. And in my upcoming video, I would be sharing more relevant information. Till then, keep watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day.